Today I briefly talked to you about a place in Teramo that opened in 2013 or 2014, I don't remember. The exact year, which has a very modern design that I really like. I'm talking about Des Artistes, Cafè. The place has a minimalist design with an innovative and contemporary space, where architecture meets design. There are mural works by artists in various styles and techniques, and they use materials like iron, steel, corten, glass create plays of light. The audio system is composed of Garvan in-wall speakers that are used as background music for moments of relaxation, but they are also sized to play at high volume in environments, as an example during aperitifs or parties. The sale and installation of the audio system were handled by Dimensione Suono from Teramo. The architectural project is by architect Alejandro Bozzi from A+Studio. They were chosen in-wall speakers mainly for the purpose of hiding the technology, such as usually in various places where there is a pursuit of clean design. Trying to hide all the technological elements is a solution that many architects commonly adopt, and the in-wall flush-mounted speaker can be used by professionals and designers. A solution to this problem. Another reason Garvan Acoustic was chosen. It's because the speakers are built in Italy, so it's a made-in-Italy product. In that place, there are many other Italian brands, such as Gucci, Prada, and more. In the description, I will leave the link. The place, the dealer who did the installation, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, see you soon.